Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share my experience about Dyson vacuum cleaner. I must clarify that this is not a commercial cooperation with Dyson. It's just something happens to me. I want to say to Dyson or say to anyone who's thinking about buying a vacuum cleaner. I just share my experience. Okay. So this is my Dyson D41 vacuum cleaner. I had this machine for over a few years now. It normally wouldn't look this worn out because we have done a lot of renovation around the house and we built a new shed. That's why it's heavily used. The first time I remember, I have called the engineer out. I changed the motor of my machines. What happened was when I was hovering, I heard a big bang. Then I smelled something was burning. So they sent out an engineer. Actually, two of them. They were very helpful. They changed a motor, I believe. So after they done that, it works perfectly. Mine just overused, I think. Then last Sunday, I show you what happened was, this one was broken. My tube, that's this thing, the rubber tube was broken. I feel like I suddenly lost suction. So you can see, that's why it's lost its suction. I mean, this part's broken. Okay, so this morning, I have received my parcel. Let me show you. That's my parcel receipt. Is a brand new vacuum tubes. Okay, and another one was broken. I couldn't remember. Let me open this. They'll send it separately. I mean, I was over the moon. Because every time I call them out, not that often. Mine is heavily used. My machine is. Oops. This one is a cylinder. I think my cylinder was something wrong with it. Wouldn't open or... Yeah, because mine wouldn't open. This clutch was broken. There's something wrong with my cylinder. This hoover have a very strong suction, so either works well on the carpets or on hard floors as well. I love this machine. The reason I want to make this video, the reason is I'm so happy with both the service and the products that Dyson has provided me. On Sunday, when I phoned Dyson up, I wasn't very sure if my guarantee has out of date or not. So I explained to a lady. I believe her name is called Yasmin. All people work for Dyson is very professional, very helpful, and I called the engineers out twice. They were very helpful. They changed the products for me. If they don't have the products in their van, they will order a new part for you to be delivered free of charge as long as you are in the guarantee period. So on Sunday, when I did my hoovering, I found out my suction tube was broken. I phoned up the lady. I believe her name is Yasmin. She is so helpful. She, for me, is a shining star. First things first, I asked if my guarantee has out of date. If not, I'm thinking hopefully it wouldn't be too expensive for me to change the vacuum cleaner's tube. Because, you know, I work in UK as a cashier. If judged by the money or income, I'm probably on the bottom pile of the society. So I was kind of hoping, oh God, please don't cost me too much. In the end, the lady Yasmin was saying to me, oh, I can see your guarantee just out of date about 2 weeks ago. But as a good gesture, we will send out a new one for you free of charge. I was so over the moon. I mean, probably she saved my half a day's wages. Not because only because of that, and because from my past experience with Dyson, with the engineers, and with that service, I feel like today I need to make a video to thank Dyson. Thank you so much for the good service and the products you have given me, and I wish your business will be multi-billion business in profits, because you're worthy, you care about the customers. So if anyone in UK was thinking about buying a vacuum cleaner, probably I will suggest you please think about Dyson, because for me Dyson is simply the best vacuum cleaner in the market. Not only good products, but the service brilliant, simply brilliant. And at last, please don't forget to register your machine with them. Either you buy a new vacuum cleaner or buy a washing machine, any electro products, please register with the firm. And UK firm are very good service, but Dyson was, if there is a 10 star, I will give them 100, because it's simply beautiful. And thank you so much for helping me out. God bless you all. Thank you, Dyson. Thank you very much. I hope this video can reach out to more people who ever lived in UK, who thinking about buying one. And again, this is not a commercial cooperation with Dyson. Dyson didn't give me any money for making this video. It's just some experience I had with them. I feel like I would like to tell everyone my experience with them. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and thank you again, Dyson. Thank you so much. I love you.